How you doing, guys? Today we have 2008 Lincoln MKX, towing company, no keys. Let's create one. So first thing first, I'm going to use Lishi FO38 for Ford, and we're going to pick the lock real quick. I have a whole playlist on my channel that shows how to use the Lishi to pick the locks. So I'm fasting forward. After the lock is picked, we can decode it. Again, same playlist, we can see how to decode it. In this car we have 6 wafers, so I'm going to decode the 6 wafers and write it down. After I wrote the 6 wafers, I'm going to go to Instacode app and I'm going to open Lincoln. I'm going to look for Lincoln MKX 2008, and I'm going to put the 6 digits that I got from the lock, and the software will tell me the extra 2 digits. There you go, we got the code. I'm going to take a remote head key and we're going to use the Kukai product, the Seki 9, and I'm going to put it in the automotive clamp and we're going to cut the digits that we just got. So I'm going to go to the main menu, I'm going to go to search, I'm going to look for age 75, which is the blank. And we're going to go to input and I'm going to put all the 8 digits that the software shows me. I'm going to hit OK, cut, speed up the cutter and cut. After it finished cutting, I can take it out of the clamp. I'm going to take a paintbrush and we're going to just paint all the metal shavings out of the key and out of the clamp, and we can go and test it and also to program. So the key turns nice and easy on the door, and we're going to try it on the ignition. So the key turns, but the battery is dead. So I'm going to connect cables and we'll come back. Alright, cables are connected. We have security light blinking fast over there, so we need to start programming. I'm going to use Autel KM100. I'm going to put the OBD dongle in the OBD connector, and we're going to start the programming. So we're going to go to, first I'm going to connect it to the dongle. I'm going to go to VCI connections in the settings, and that's going to connect via Bluetooth to the dongle in order to write the keys to the car. Main menu, I'm going to go to immobilizer, I'm going to look for Lincoln. Automatic selection. Ford and Lincoln are the same system, so it doesn't really matter. Lincoln MKX 07 to 2010, blade key. Make sure all the details are correct and hit yes on the bottom. I'm going to go to hot function. We're going to go to add key and start the procedure. Tell me it's not going to erase the old keys and put the key on position. It's already on position. And that's going to write it very quick. 2 keys in the memory, and now we have 3 all set in here. Another key, I said no, we can turn it off. Can put it on position, security light stays on for 3 seconds and turn completely off. Key is programmed. Now let me show you how to program the remote. We're going to sit in the car, we're going to close the door. Remote is not working right now. So we're going to lock and unlock, and I'm going to put the key on off 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit 1 time on the bottom. that's it. 8 times on or off. Press on one of the buttons, turn it off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the video. Thank you very much.